Senegal election. What do you say, sir?
It's a great thing for Senegal and for West Africa and Africa.
Uh-huh. How it went down? What you know so far? Where you come from?
From Ghana.
You from Ghana?
Looks like you're going to put me on some website.
Yes, you're from Ghana, and you say you real satisfied about the Senegalese election this year 2012 because the way it went down from Mr. Wade to Mr. Macky Sall, you know, the transition was well done. They avoid fighting. It was some early issue with some blood, you know. We have some people, some dead people, but it wasn't like 5,000, 10,000, you know. They work it out, they real politicians, they talk, they negotiate, and they went twice to vote, and finally Mr. Macky Sall have the election. Now tell me your impressions.
As I said, it's all good for Senegal, West Africa, and Africa. We should have these peaceful transitions from ruling parties to opposition parties. Don't just keep continuing, you know, and it will work out for the country, West Africa, and the continent. You know, it doesn't come easy. We have to just keep making slow progress, taking steps forward, and people should be, you know, happy about that and be patient and work to make the system improve. And that's all we can look for.
So you was real happy. You giving them thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up for
Let me see the thumb.
Thumbs up.
To Mr. Watt, thumbs up. Thank you. The world is talking about you, how it went down, and they respect you for whatever you did.
Now he can go into great dignified retirement, and he will be remembered well for what he did.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.